unexpected chain of events, guys. I was actually just driving by. This is a obviously a BMW shop. They do all kinds of German cars, but I wanted to point out a few of the squad. This car I think I've seen a bunch of times. Nothing special about it, I've just seen it a million times. But this is kind of cool to be able to park my car next to this. You'll be able to see the headlights, what they look like. Did I do a good job? Do they look pretty much the same? I think they look the same. You know, you can kind of go along here, get a nice glimpse of that. Obviously this is the regular US spec as well as mine. Just keep in mind, you know, there are different colors, black versus silver. So it's gonna look slightly different in comparison, but you know, my bumper is totally chewed up. He's got the front plate, but his front bumper looks in really good shape. And here's kind of a funny thing is these little air scoop dam type things, I really like. A few friends of mine think that they look stupid or they look like little vacuum things. But they sell them for pretty inexpensive, and I think it gives a really cool look to the front of the car. I'm not a fan of the little color in the grille. Yeah, I might do like the inserts that have the black in the middle and then there's chrome on the edge. But yeah, obviously the no front lights display definitely makes a difference. And coming around the back stretch, we've got the Laguna Seca E46 M3 in the manual. It looks like there's some sort of, you know, cloth inserts. Oh no, those are Recaro. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't really want to mess with this car, but Recaro seats, beautiful color. Unfortunately, it looks like it's track driven. You know, there's definitely, like, you know, the wheel studs on it, different wheels. These look like the Apex wheels, which, you know, most guys use because they're lightweight and cheap and easy. But this silver one is actually, ooh, he's got a backup camera. I'm just gonna pretend that I know like all these things about E39. So he has got the Corsa exhaust, and this is different. So he's got a carbon fiber diffuser here. This car looks in pretty good shape. Not sure what wheels those are. Those look like maybe the 540 sport wheels. I know that all the M5 guys are gonna be yelling at me because they probably aren't that, but you know, his plastics look in really good shape. Everything in general looks in really good shape. He's got tinting as well. Obviously my car is filthy, but I will also tell you, if you look at this at the correct angles, it actually is pretty dirty. You know, you can tell by the wheels that this car has been driven around. Oh, this car's an automatic. Holy sh... Okay, so... this is not an M5. This is not an M5. All right, so I know exactly, I know what this person did. I should have caught on. Like, look at the mirrors. I'm such an idiot. This is like one of the dead giveaways, is the mirrors. See how they're square and mine are circular? Okay, so, oh shit. I'm such an idiot. I'm just gonna leave all that in the video because I'm pretty stupid for saying that. Anyways, so here's what happened. M5 conversion. This is a 540i. I'm pretty sure this is a 540i, which explains the wheels and everything else. So this is a 5 Series E39. Oh shit. I'm so stupid. He's got the M5 bumper. He's got, yeah, so you can see mine says M5 right here, and this one does not. So here's a good video of Brandon being an idiot. See, this is how much of a noob I am. But he's got the quad, so he has the front and back bumper. He's got the fake badge, which is pointless. He does not have the little spoiler. The mirrors are obviously different. God, I'm such an idiot. You can see mine's like a little squattier. It's a little squattier looking. You know, it's maybe hard to tell on camera, but I was a little distracted by Laguna Seca over here, Laguna Seca. All right, well, in this video, Brandon proves to everyone in the BMW community that he doesn't actually know what kind of car he has or what kind of car this is. I'm gonna wrap up this video. I'm a little embarrassed, but I've screwed up stuff in the past, and I think that videos like this actually are really funny. It's really funny to see. I was all excited because I thought it was an M5, and from this front angle it looks like an M5 besides the mirrors, and usually that's the first thing I look for and the first thing that gives it away. But I want to end this video with such an idiot. Thank you again for watching. Thanks for putting up with me, and thanks for sticking around. Hit that like button if you want me to learn exactly what car I want, and hit that like. I swear to God, I don't know what I'm gonna do about my exhaust. I might do a muffler delete, so maybe if like this video gets a ton of likes, I'll do that. Like 500 likes, I'll absolutely do a muffler delete if that's what you guys want. If you don't want me to do it, I guess don't thumbs up. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time.